Check,
Okay.
check, check. One,
Check,
two.
check. 1, 2, 3. This is Amanda and Mark, and we are at 95. And this is yet another video, but this is going to be the first video of many, which I think we have 5 for this section of the house. It might be 6. I'm not.
We're losing count.
We're losing count.
There's a lot of video.
Now, not every section of the house is going to have this much video, but this section of the house has a lot of amenities for public. So that's why there's so many videos for this part. But the point of this video is, after some research, Jeremy found the original video that we took when this house was purchased, and it was god awful. So we're going to go through the areas, and then I'm going to say a little thing at the end. So what we're going to start with is this wall.
Yes.
Which there is an Olive Garden mural on that. Olive Garden had a drive-through in the front.
You got your bottomless breadsticks and salad.
You could pick up, drive around the back,
patio,
and
yes.
pick it around the patio.
Yes. Yeah, driver's side curb service.
Yes, exactly. So you'll see what we did to that. We have before of the ceiling up there. We have befores. Am I going at a good pace? Yes? Okay. So we have a before of the family room.
The family one, which
before. Yes.
It was really fun to go back and see what you said. This is what we're probably going to be doing to the spaces, and a lot of them did follow what you originally thought, and then a lot of things totally different, because we did think that the family room was originally going to stay until we blew 2 openings through it.
Right. So at that point right there, what she just said, I want to make it a known fact to clients that just because what we see in the beginning is not necessarily what it's going to be. Because as you get into you can have a vision for something, but as you get into the bones of the house and you start tearing things out, and clients have to be willing to spend the money to do what you really want to do. That's the most right, to do it right. Which I think this is probably the first house in this area, an old build, that has been done completely right, where the money was spent in the right way. And I want to shout out to the clients for doing that, because it was a buttload. But anyway, I digress. What I want to say is that just because what we tell you it's going to be in the beginning does not mean that that's necessarily what it's going to be at the end, because we are artists. We are artists. That's the only thing I can say about it.
And a project always evolves. I don't think I've ever had a project that started at one point and always came back exactly to where it started out on square one.
Right.
And that's kind of the fun of it.
It is the fun of it. Well, and it's like the family room. I originally wanted to take out the wall in the breakfast room, between the breakfast room and the family room, but that's a barren wall. So it was a shitload of money to take that wall out. But when we decided to cut through into these rooms, then the client said, well, do you really want to take out the wall in the breakfast room? And I said, yes, because it made the whole thing go around in the circle. So once you get into it, it's always going to cost you more money. It's always going to cost more money. But you're going to end up with, if you let us do your job.
Our job.
Oh, gosh, yeah, our job.
Let us do our job.
That's our job. She let us do our job. See, I was looking out at the outside, and I was looking outside. If you let us do our job, and you are open to spending money, you're going to get something that looks like this. So as you walk through the living room, past the Olive Garden mural, and you see what we did to the family room, you'll see the breakfast room, and then you will see the beverage area. There was nothing there. It was part of the kitchen. Wait until you see the Der Dutchman dining room that we had. We had Der Dutchman, yes. They were also running takeout out of this house. And you can see the foyer, the master bedroom, the funeral parlor master bathroom. Oh, you can't say master bathroom, but I'm saying it anyway. So shoot me.
You said it in the original video.
I know I did. So, you're going to have to forgive me. I'm 68 years old, and I can't change from master to primary, okay? And the office, which is now the closet.
Yep.
The front bedroom, which is now the office, and that bathroom. And then upstairs we have the black bedroom and black bathroom, which was not, what do you see those?
Right.
The kitchen. Upstairs.
Yeah.
Yes. And the teen room. So Jeremy's we're gonna give you quick snippets of all the befores and afters at the beginning, because when I first started Chic on the Cheap, the first woman that did work for us, put our website together, Gilda Dennis. We just loved her. She said it always needs to look like a train wreck. The befores always need to look like a train wreck because that's what grabs your attention. So you can see what this looks like, what it looked like. You're never gonna believe it. You are never going to believe it. I think the only thing we're saving in this house was every single door had solid brass Baldwin hardware on it. The hardware was probably more than the house. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna do a before and after. I don't think we're gonna do any more videos. This is gonna be it. There'll be like 5 of them. I wanted to talk a little bit about the videos because the next video that you're gonna see Amanda and I do is called Girl Talk. And I was being a little silly at the beginning of it when we're calling it Girl Talk because we're talking about some serious things in the video, and I like to preface everything with humor. And then we have a video of how you did all of the, right, Jeremy? We have a video of how Amanda did all the staging because I just check out at that point. And what else did we do a video on? Oh, all the amenities.
Walking through, showing the amenities.
Yes, we did a walkthrough video and then we did a separate video. So we have like 6 videos, right, Jeremy? All right, so we'll have these videos up on the website. Hopefully by the time the first Architectural Digest ad comes out, and then we'll do more videos as we go into more spaces. Anything to add?
I don't think so. Not right
Are you
now.
Sure?
I don't know.
So
I think it covered a lot. What else do you want to talk about?
Just, we'd love to do another project like this. So if you want to have Brinks pull up.
Drop off the gold bars.
Yes, drop off the gold bars
We'll
and the
handle
money
the rest.
bags. Yes, we'll handle the rest. You can either fly in and fly out, or you can stay away. It was. While this was a really difficult project, like I said, you'll see me say that in other videos, it was very rewarding to take such a piece of crap and turn it into, you're never gonna believe it. People are gonna be writing in and they're gonna say, that's not the same house. Because we brought the guard through. The guard at the Oaks here wanted to see it. And she was like, no.
Speechless, yeah.
No.
I mean, she even joked about showing up today in the video. She's like, oh, should I just show up and lounge around? She loves it.
Because she can't believe that this is the same house, and we can't believe it, and the clients can't believe it. And
it was fun to go back and look at it.
It was fun to go back and look at. What do you say?
Yeah.
All right, I think that's all we've got. Amanda and Mark.
Peace out.
Peace out.